Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Good morning, Marvel. Well, I'm starting our vlog today a little bit late. It's 10:30 right now and it's the perfect timing to start the vlog because I want to show you what arrived. Dun-ta-da! HelloFresh. So I don't know how many of you guys know what HelloFresh is. So HelloFresh, and there's been literally so much hype going on about HelloFresh. That's why we wanted to try it. HelloFresh is basically you get to choose your own meals, what meals you want, and they send you the ingredients, everything, all the ingredients with the instructions how to make your meal, and you just make it. It's that simple. So we chose some really good meals and we wanted to try them. So that is it. We have 2 boxes of HelloFresh here, and I just finished cleaning, finished with our tea and shake. I don't know what time we'll be going to the gym today. Let's see. And last night I made this rustic bread at home. If you guys are not following us on Instagram, do check it out. Do check us out on Instagram. I did the recipe. I showed the recipe in there. And yeah, let's go ahead and open the box. Okay, let's see what we have here. This first box is Mayank's box. Ooh, so they send you fresh ingredients. That is why their way of packing method is very different, so that even if you're not home and they leave the box outside your door, you come back like after 5-6 hours, the ingredients don't go bad. So first thing, when you open the box, this is what you see, the dishes that you ordered. So he ordered creamy dreamy mushroom cavatappi. This is kind of a pasta with scallion and parmesan, and when you turn it around you see how to make it, like the directions on how to make it. Marvel, wrong arm, it's not for you. And the second that he ordered is veggie bibimbap rice bowl, and again when you turn around you can see how to make it, and it also shows all the ingredients that it has, like that you'll be needing, and it's in the box. And the third one is crispy chickpea tabula bowls. Yeah. So this is the direction part, and then you see the packing is very different. Ooh, that's nice. That's very convenient. So this is the bag that has all the ingredients for veggie bibimbap rice bowls. Marvel, it's not for you. Look at him, he's so excited. Marvel, off. Get off. Good boy. And then this bag has all the creamy dreamy mushroom pasta. Likewise. So there are 3 bags in here. And they send a small hello gift like pink Himalayan salt over here. Oh, see, and there's an ice pack inside. On top of that it's written, don't forget the ingredients which may be hidden under the ice. So let me take that. Marvel, it's not for you. Get off. Good boy. These are the ice packs. Again, ice pack. So basically for his box there is nothing that has to be kept in the ice, but still nothing under the ice packs. So the box is all empty. And now I'm gonna open my box and see what it is, what it's in there. Okay, so my bowl, my box has figgy balsamic pork. So that's why for that I have the pork over here. They send me fresh pork, and then Monterey Jack burger. For that I have the beef over here, and another is, what is that one? Yeah, crispy Parmesan chicken. So for that I have fresh chicken over here, and mine was under the ice pack like how they said. So yeah, these are all the things that we got. We're super excited to try them. Whatever we make tonight for lunch, we'll let you know, and we'll show you how we make it and how it tastes. I'm sure it's gonna taste amazing. Yeah, you can just keep this bag in the fridge as it is, or you can open it, but I'm just gonna keep it as it is because look how convenient. I mean, you just open this, take the ingredients out, and that's it. Yeah, perfect. I'm going to the gym now, and once I come back we'll make the lunch from HelloFresh. let's see what I make today. I think Mayank is gonna eat the pasta. And what should I eat? I think either I'll eat the pork, or yeah, I think I'll eat the pork. Okay, back from the gym, and for my lunch I'm gonna make figgy balsamic pork, and Mayank is gonna have creamy dreamy mushroom cavatappi. So this is the pasta that he's gonna have. So I'm gonna make this, and we already opened the bags and we saw what all came inside. We have like every single ingredient that you need to make this in the bag, and let's start making. So there's nothing much to show here because the steps are all written here. I'm gonna follow the exact steps they told us to do and make the dish. That's it. So let's get started.
Okay guys, so just came for lunch, and look at that, I already took so much of pasta, and there's this half of this, more than half of it already in there, still in there. So I'm gonna eat the other half tomorrow or later, but the point is that the quantity is a lot.
It's for 2 people actually, in that quantity.
Yeah, it is for 2 people. So it's not a lot in that sense, but yeah. So the quantity is sufficiently for 2 people. You can easily have 2 meals out of this, and look how beautiful it looks. So it definitely is a very good. So I'm gonna taste it and see how it comes out. Tanya is putting hers, and look how cool. And she is saving half of it for later, for another meal.
Yeah.
So pretty nice. We are gonna go enjoy it, and let me just taste and tell you how it came out.
Is it good?
The pasta is so damn good. Here, taste. Pasta is so good, and they didn't give you the sauce. You made the sauce from the scratch, bechamel sauce. So it's so fresh and it's so good.
But they give you all the ingredients.
Yeah, you had like all the ingredients in there, and the instructions how to make it. Do you want to taste yours?
Oh my god.
The sauce is good. Everything came out really good.
Everything is delicious.
Okay, cool.
It's so good. Good morning. It's the next day, and yesterday after that we couldn't do any more vlog. We got busy, and then evening I was so sleepy, so we just went and slept. But new morning, new day, beautiful weather outside. It is actually cold today, and we'll be taking Marvel out for a walk and trying to absorb the heat from the sun, how much ever that is, because I don't think so it's going to be hot today. It's going to be nice and cold. And yeah, we'll start our day. Once we come back from the walk, I'll make tea, I'll show you guys, and we start our day. Marvel is over here. He's sleeping right there. Another package is here. Hold on, let me take it out with both my hands because this is not very heavy. Hold on. Marble wrong. Marble, no babu, off. Oh, we got a brand new juicer. So this thing we got in a great deal during Thanksgiving, and that is when we bought it, and it got delivered today. It's from the brand Aicok, and we were really excited with the juicer. It's very simple to assemble it. So this is the part that pushes down the veggies and fruit, whatever you want to add, and here the juice comes out, the trash, the pulp that comes out over here, and that's it. I mean, you don't really have to do anything. There's two speeds. This is for the soft veggies and this is for the hard fruits and veggies, and basically that's it. And you get a brush to clean it. That's it. And I'll definitely do a full review using this, and I'll show you how I use it and how it is in my next video. So don't forget to check that out. But for now, we are very excited to try this. With this, we are gonna end today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the review of this juicer, and we'll see you in our next vlog. So till then, bye bye.